In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export .psd from Canva retain layers and effects. If you design in Canva but need to finish or hand off your work in Photoshop, this workflow will let you preserve as much structure as possible, including separate layers for text, shapes, and many effects. Start by opening Canva and navigating to your design as usual. Before you export, it helps to keep elements distinct, avoid flattening groups, keep text as text, and use clear organization on the canvas so the layers translate more cleanly later. When you're ready, click the Share button in the top right, choose Download, and set the file type to PDF print. This option is important because it maintains higher quality and preserves vector information better than a standard PDF. If you see extra options like crop marks or bleed, leave them off unless you specifically need them, since they can add guides or extra space you don't want in Photoshop. Click Download and let Canva generate the PDF. Next, open your web browser and go to photopea.com. Photopea is a free, browser-based editor that can interpret the structure inside a PDF and convert it into a layered Photoshop file. Once it loads, go to File, then Open, and select the PDF you just downloaded. You can also drag and drop the file directly into the window. If your design has multiple pages, you'll be able to choose the one you want to import. Photopea will process the file and, in most cases, separate your design into layers automatically. Text often remains editable, vector shapes usually stay sharp, and many effects carry over. Keep in mind that certain Canva-specific treatments, very complex transparencies, or unsupported blend modes may rasterize, which is normal in this kind of conversion. Take a quick look at the Layers panel to confirm everything imported as expected. If something looks combined that you hope would be separate, it usually means that element was flattened in Canva or relies on an effect that doesn't translate as a live layer. The overall resolution and sharpness should match your Canva export. When you're satisfied, go to File and choose Save as Psd. Pick a location on your computer, name your file clearly, and save it. You now have a Photoshop Psd that retains layers and effects as much as possible from your Canva design. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.